Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a walkthrough of the current condition of the house before the renovation gets started. So this is the before pictures that you're going to see. Tomorrow, my contractor and his crew will get started with the demolition. That will be the day 0 of the renovation. Let's first look at the exterior. It's a traditional California ranch style home with a side split. The exterior finish is stucco all throughout. I'm not a big fan of stucco. Usually stucco is prone to a lot of hairline crack. But in this case of the house, even though it's 50 years old, actually the stucco is in decent condition. So we're going to leave it alone and just paint over it. And then the roof, and you can see that it's a tile roof, and somehow it's in pretty good condition as far as I can see. So we'll leave that alone. So that almost like give it a Spanish feel. That is what I'm going to go for. Garage door, somewhat traditional looking. I'm going to just keep it, maybe paint it, and then we can do something about the grill on the window to update it. Same for the balcony. Structurally, it's in decent shape, just old style, so we will do something about the railing. So let's go inside the house. And now getting to the front door. The front door is a double door. Definitely is really old and needs to be updated. And then also double door is not as popular as before, so I'm going to change it very likely to a single door with side light. All the windows like these on the front doors are very old and needs to be changed as well. Okay, go inside. Okay. Now entering into the house, the first level we have is a kitchen and a living room and a dining room. And this is where I need to do the most work. The kitchen obviously is closed off from everything and make it small. And then from the living room, it has the weird mirror on the right hand side. The living room is a bit odd, is bordered by 2 faux stone planters. Look at that. Overall, the space is there. This level has over 500 square feet. So what I'm going to do is that we will take down this wall that separates the kitchen from the living room area, and then also level all the floors into one single level. So we'll build up so that the sunken living room no more. But then that will only give us like 8 feet of ceiling height. So that will be a bit too low for my taste. So we will spend another big chunk of money to photo up ceiling. So bye-bye ceiling. Another major thing that I'm going to do this living room is to open up the space to the backyard. Can you see that? Actually, it has awesome view from the backyard. Only that you cannot really see it from the living room because it's blocked by this gigantic, once again, faux stone fireplace. I like fireplace, honestly, but this one, between a nice view and a fireplace, I will take the view. So we will open this slider into a 16 feet long double door slider. So that will bring the view, the outside, and then light all into the living room. Okay, now let's go down to look at the lower floor. Lower floor has a nice slider. Okay. It's not a bad space, but right now it's chopped up because you have the laundry room right here, and then a closet. So what I'm going to do is that we're going to take this closet space and then turn it into the laundry room instead, so that we will leave more space out at the back side so that we can turn this into a nice office stand. Let's go upstairs. Yeah, all the floorings in this house are very old and all have to be replaced, and so is this railing. Functional, but awfully outdated. Upstairs, we have 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. First of all, the hallway bath, average size, but all of the finishes has to be updated. New bathtub, new vanity, new toilet, of course. For the 2 bedroom, we'll keep the layout the same. Just give it new flooring, new closet doors. But otherwise, it will be mostly the same. We're not going to, good that we don't have to spend that much money on these 2 bedrooms. This is a smaller bedroom. Yep, my tenant still left me a dirty mattress to deal with. This room is a little bit dark, so one thing that we were trying to do is see, maybe we'll do some small windows that is between the stud to help bring some more lateral light into the bedroom. Now going into the master. Da-da-da! Here it goes. Another old mattress for me to get rid of. And I honestly don't know what they left here for me. Just trash. This master bathroom configuration is quite odd. You can see here, it has a small shower. I don't know who can fit into that. Okay, bath, toilet, okay, I'm not going to look into that. That's going to be so gross. Then we see 3 rich-in closet, and then 1 single vanity right in the middle. So really odd. I'm going to knock this all down and reconfigure that. Now let's go downstairs. Now let's look outside, take a look onto my backyard. The backyard is the main reason I bought this house, if not the only reason. Look at that. The area that we are living in is really hard to have such open, nice views into the mountains, into the valley, and you don't get to see neighbors. I can pretend that I have no neighbors. Isn't that awesome? But man, this one needs a lot of work. It's so overgrown and neglected. This shed has to go. And then so is the palm tree. This is like kind of really not in good shape, let's just put it that way, and also blocking my view. Most of the trees on this side will be gone. There's some fruit trees that is at the back that looks like they're in good health, so we're trying to relocate that. And overall, just clean it up, put it some nice new sod, and that will make it really back to where it should be. And of course, the deck. There's a lot of deck, but they are in really bad shape. So I'm going to rip it all out and put in a nice deck that will be at the level with the living room level of the house. Okay, so take a look, people. Most of this will be gone, so that, and then I will move it from the right side all the way to the left side where the retaining wall is. So we'll still keep some green, but just in much more manicured, in a much more beautiful manner. Okay. You can see the retaining wall on that side, on the left side. And this is where I'm going to put most of the plant, the trees, fruit trees. I like cherry trees a lot. Hopefully we can put some cherry trees there. But we will clean out all the back, and then also you can see the fences are in poor shape. I'm just surprised the fences are even standing. Oh, look at that. How do they even be standing? And how do my neighbors let me keep fence of such rough shape? Totally derelict. That's a, if we ever get to use the word derelict, this is it, people. All this has to be gone and replaced. Just a quick walkthrough of the before of the house before the renovation. So people, this is the day 0. Day 1 will start tomorrow. So if you are interested to know what I'm going to do with the renovation, subscribe to my channel so that you can get the latest update of the renovation. And if you have any questions about the renovation of like more details about the house that you want to know, just let me know in the comment section. Bye now.